a beauty blender, or bust. We've all been there, standing in Sephora, staring at a wall of brightly colored sponges, each one promising flawless foundation and a chiseled contour. It's overwhelming, right? But what if we told you the secret to makeup perfection isn't in those perfectly packaged sponges? What if the answer lies somewhere completely unexpected? What if it's something a little more unconventional, something you'd never think to use in your beauty routine? Gap 3s. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where today we're pitting the classic silicone makeup sponge against a rather unconventional contender. A breast implant. Yes, you heard that right. Yes, you read that right. We're about to embark on a makeup journey that's equal parts absurd and oddly compelling. Get ready for some surprising results. We're not making any claims about efficacy or sanity here, but hey, who doesn't love a good beauty experiment? Let's dive in and see what happens. Silicone versus silicone. Let the face-off begin. This is a showdown you never knew you needed. On one side of the ring, we have our trusty silicone makeup sponge, a staple in many makeup bags. It's small, efficient, and beloved by makeup enthusiasts everywhere. On the other side, it's much larger, bouncier, and frankly, unexpected cousin. Yes, a breast implant, which is not something you'd typically find in a makeup kit. The challenge? Applying a full face of makeup using each tool and comparing the results. Will the implant surprise us, or will the sponge reign supreme? First up, the silicone sponge. It glides over the skin, seamlessly blending foundation and concealer. So far, so good. It's doing what it does best. Now, for the breast implant. This is where things get interesting and messy. It's not designed for this, but let's see how it performs. Holding the implant is like trying to wrangle a particularly slippery jellyfish. It's a challenge just to keep it in place. Applying foundation with it, let's just say it's an experience. The results are, well, let's just see how it turns out. The verdict, is it a yay or nay? We put two unconventional makeup applicators to the test to see which one reigns supreme. After much blending, buffing, and trying not to laugh, the results are in. It was a fun and somewhat chaotic process, but we finally have our answer. The silicone sponge delivered the expected smooth, airbrushed finish. It glided effortlessly over the skin, leaving a flawless look. The breast implant, on the other hand, well, it left us with a streaky, uneven mess. It was difficult to control and didn't blend well. It seems size does matter in the world of makeup application, and bigger isn't always better. Precision and ease of use are key. Silicone sponge, 1. Breast implant, 0. The clear winner in this quirky showdown. While the implant provided a good laugh, it's safe to say it won't be replacing our trusty makeup sponges anytime soon. Stick to what works best. This challenge was a hilarious reminder that sometimes the most unconventional approaches lead to the most entertaining, if not successful, results. It also solidified the silicone makeup sponge's rightful place in our makeup bags. So the next time you're feeling adventurous with your makeup routine, remember this challenge. Or better yet, don't. Stick to your regular brushes and sponges. But most importantly, remember that makeup is about having fun, expressing yourself, and not taking things too seriously. Gap 3s. If you love fun and unexpected beauty experiments, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy showdown. See you in the next one.